Daddy, I need money. Send account. After 20 minutes, receive. Okay? Mommy, I need money. What do you want to use money to do? I have told you I don't have money. Since yesterday, your father has not sent me any money. I told you that I was going to the church. I want to pay tithe after. I want to do my first fruit. See, I am not. See, you should find somewhere. Start working. You are big now. I started making money when I was at the age of 7. I can't even remember the last time I asked my parents money. Before I got to the age of 5, I was having money already. I even paid my school fee when I was in nursery school. Please find where and start making money. Okay. Send accounts. After 10 minutes, receive. You see this money that I've saved for you? I don't want you to ever ask me money again. This should be the last time. I've told you, next time you need money, go to your father. I've not been coming. I did not come to this one to send you money. I have some other things to buy. Please, manage that money. Don't even ask me money for this year again. You help me. I've told you. I have other things I need to sort out. Hey! Mama. Mommy.